I have a new Auelife gentleman's oil. Obviously, I'm a fan. The hotels are my favorite, and I also enjoy the teakwood mahogany. They come very nicely packaged. You don't have to worry about breakage and shipping. This new scent is Vintage Oak. Comes with a handy dropper. One thing I really like about the Auelife oils is it doesn't take much, just a few drops, even in a large diffuser is going to be fine. Add a few drops of the Vintage Oak to my small diffuser. And that already smells divine. Auelife Vintage Oak, Gentleman's Essential Oil Collection. Kim Townsel, I highly recommend the Auelife Gentleman Oil Vintage Oak. It smells so good. That is a great energy. Like it. Buy it. Enjoy it.